All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, my people, this is a good news for all Yoruba nation agitators. Well, onto this, the Sheik, Alhaji Sheik Muyideen Bello Ajani had finally supported Yoruba nation movement. I think this is a great deal. Well, and then onto this one. Alhaji Sheik Muyideen Bello Ajani had finally raised alarm against the federal government of Nigeria in the way things are going, and then this time around he has so much supported Chief Sunday Igboho. Well, and then onto this one, oh, a lot of clergymen are fast, Sheik, and then many of them have now realized and they are now coming out to tell the truth as it is. Majority of things were said by Father Sheik Muyideen Bello Ajani. Well, and then onto this one, he had been able to let us know that as far as this nation is concerned, it's in shambles already. Nothing is working, nothing is happening. There is trouble, there is fire on the mountain. And then he talked about the fact that our naira does not even have value again. And that's exactly what it is. Because of that, a lot of people are hungry. There is hunger in the land. 2,000 naira, you take it to the market, you cannot buy anything. Unlike what it is like 10 years back. Hey, Baba God, now your hand with it. He said this regime, this is they are going to their 8 years. Yet, things have gone wrong. There is no protection in the land. There is no money in the land. You cannot buy pepper. You cannot buy meat. Vegetables, problem. Because the money is not enough for people to spend. And then we are saying that we have government. He said we are saying we have government. We have no all our senators. He says we have senators in Nigeria. What are they senatoring? What is their job? We have governors. What are they governing? We have president. What is their job? Councillors, chairmen, what are they doing? We have monarchs. This set of people, they are even the problem of the people, most especially the Yoruba monarchs. That this set of people are even the ones that have gone against the people. Look at what is happening in Yoruba land. When Chief Sunday Igboho came out, that he wants to make it happen. He wants to support in the little way he could. But what happened? They all chased him away. They all sent him out simply because of peanuts they want to get. Wickedness that they all know what is going on, but they don't want to do the right thing. Now, our money does not have value anywhere. Naira does not have value where dollar is. In fact, even in its own country, does not have value. Cannot do anything, let alone no other currencies. It started with dollars. He said dollars right now is like times 700 to naira. Is it safer? We won't even want to talk of our close country to Nigeria. When you take naira to Cotonou right now, when you take naira to Cotonou, it does not have value where safer is. Or is it Togo we want to talk about? Ghana is even another big deal where Nigeria is. In those days when Ghanaians come to Nigeria, they will do and undo. They will be like, oh, we want to make enough so that when we go to our country, we'll be able to invest. But now the reverse is the case. Nigerians now go to Ghana, try to make Ghanaian cedis to Nigeria so that they can do exploits. You can see how bad the government is. He said a lot of things. Say that is why there is hunger in the land. You can imagine 8 years is finishing from this government, from this regime. Is getting worse by the day. Only God knows what's going to happen. Now, naira is 715. Dollar is 715 to naira as we speak right now. Then, some set of people will still tell us that there is one Nigeria, that it will be better. Now, this set of people are trying to move it to make 1,000 naira to 1,000 naira to $1. And there's some set of people are still there that, oh, let us stay with them. One Nigeria, it will be better. Some people are coming and shouting a milocon. That is another serious one. Well, he talked about a lot of things, how hunger had been in the land simply because our government never wanted to do well. Chief Sunday Igboho came the other time, wanted to like, oh, let us make things work out. Let us fight our people. Let us speak out. But majority of the monarchs pursued him. They sent him away. They did not listen. They made mockery of him. And they said, now that he's not in the country, now you people, are you not facing the worst? Now that Chief Sunday Igboho had left the country for you people, are you not facing the worst? Every day they are kidnapping every human being in that country, Nigeria. Every day people are dying unjustly. Innocent souls are dying unjustly. Yet the person who God had chosen to say he wants to make things happen, you sent him away because of your wickedness. Now look at where we have found ourselves. He said Nigeria is doomed already. So it's only God that will put us back to where it is. It's only God. He says, look at our university. The university right now, the students have been at home for over 8 months. Yet we call this country, Nigeria, giant of Africa. Hey, according to him, he said, you call Nigeria giant of Africa. And then look at where we have found ourselves right now. Common, our university cannot run. And then they have money. They have the money to buy things in Niger, to buy cars, send money, develop their own region, but there's no money for our own students, our children to go to school. Yes, and he said we're talking about insecurity, that majority of people are not ready, but they are not ready to tell the truth. But when the problem comes, that even the people that do not know anything about the problem will suffer the more in it. That is why everybody needs to wake up. And then that's another one. Even right now, I think the problem has started already. A lot of innocent souls are no are facing it squarely. A lot of innocent souls are being dealt with. Look at what is going on in the land. Many things had gone wrong. Many things had gone wrong. He continued by saying that most of the monarchs, Yoruba monarchs, all they could think of is to party and wear beads all over. But they are not thinking of the people they are ruling, the people who voted them in. You call yourself a king. Your people under you are suffering on a daily basis. You don't care, but all you think of is to wear big agbada, wear beads everywhere, party and all that. That all of you are going to suffer this. The same Chief Sunday Igboho that you have sent out, definitely God will bring him back. That Chief Sunday Igboho is coming back to continue from where he stopped, either you like it or not. All our women right now, they are into prostitutions. The men right now, they cannot gather enough money to marry, to get married. People that have not eaten, where would they get the money to say they want to get married? And meanwhile, our government is there. We say we have government, but nothing has been done. Nothing has been done. Meanwhile, he continued by saying that the governor of Ondo State, Governor Rotimi Akeredolu, is crying out that if the government of Katsina State can allow its indigene to go about with AK-47, that the same thing should be done in Ondo State. Let every citizen let every indigene as his or her own AK-47. And he talked about the fact that look at what happened in the church. That in fact, the state, Ondo State, is worse right now because they are killing them every day, every now and then. No peace in that land. No peace in that land. Even the so-called killings that happened in that church, in our church, up to now, nothing had been said about it. And yet, Chief Sunday Igboho came out. The person volunteered to say, okay, let us put a stop into this. Yet they sent him away. And now, are you people free now in that land? Are you now free? Is there freedom in that land since Chief Sunday Igboho left you people? And exactly what it is. Well, my people, majority of things though were said about this Sheik. That is so serious. And the majority of people have been like, wow, Sheik, God will continue to bless you for the true word, for the great statement you have altered. Because this set of people need to hear from people like you. If many monarchs and clergymen can come out, even sheiks can come out to say the truth the way he has said it, I think the Yoruba nation would have been a better place right now. Well, onto this one, Father Sheik Muyideen Bello Ajani had said a lot of things, and I think everybody needs to be thankful to God that we have somebody like him who had come out to say it to their hearings. Either they like it or not, they will hear it, and then a change will be done. All right, my people, and exactly what it is onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.